Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful Bob Ross painting. First we'll start by covering the whole canvas with sap green. Now we want a darker color at the bottom, so let's add Prussian blue. Let's just move this in upward direction and let it merge with the green. Now you want to add a tiny source of light all the way in the back. So you do that by using lemon yellow. Just let this light spread around. Let it merge with the green. Just slightly blur this by moving the brush very lightly on the canvas, hardly touching the canvas. Now let's make huge trees and bushes. For this, let's take sap green and just dab that on the canvas. You can make any number of trees you want. Now let's give these trees some branches. We can do this by using brown, and for the highlight of the branches, let's use brown mixed with a little bit of white. You can make any number of branches you want. We'll have to add highlights to the leaves as well. So this we can do by mixing lemon yellow, white and a little bit of sap green. We'll be using the same color to make the bushes. Let there be some dark spots on the canvas. Don't kill the dark places. We'll need this in order to show some depth. Now I was making a waterfall, but then my camera stopped recording, but I will show you how to do it using watercolors. You can use the same technique using oil colors as well. For this, just take some paint on the brush and move it in on the canvas in this curve sort of motion. You can take white oil paint to do it on the canvas, and for the froth, just take paint on the brush and dab it on the canvas. Now I'll also show you how to make the rock. For this you'll have to take brown paint and just apply it on the canvas in any direction you want, since rocks don't have a particular shape. Now for the highlight, we'll be using white mixed with a little bit of brown and just apply it on the canvas. Like this. So that's how the waterfall looks. I've used pure white oil paint to make it. Let's just make this water hit and splash the rock here. Sorry about the bad lighting, it'll get better in a few seconds. Now let's just make another big rock here in the middle. For this we're using brown mixed with black, and for the highlight we'll mix these two colors with white. Just make some water go around this and fall down like tiny waterfalls. Now let's cover the bottom part of the canvas with some white. Now this is how I'll be making the highlights on the rocks. Now using the highlight color for the leaves, that is lemon yellow, white and sap green, let's make the bushes. Now you can just add a little rock here. Maybe it's part of a big rock which is hidden under the waterfall. Now let's just add a little highlight to it. And there you have it. Your beautiful piece is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do share your views in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.